In this video, I will show you how to create a report in Google Data Studio with the Spurs Effort data source. Before creating a report in Google Data Studio, we need to create data delivery templates in the Effort platform. For this, we need to log into the Effort platform. This is the Effort login page. If you don't have an account, click Effort Sign Up to create a new one. If you already have the login credentials, enter here to get started. This is the Effort welcome page. On this, go to configurator. This is the home screen. From here, go to settings module. Click on company settings, security settings. Now click this checkbox to enable Google Data Studio on the welcome screen. Click apply to update the settings. Now you can see the security settings updated message here. Now log out and log in again. Now you can see the Google Data Studio card on the welcome screen. Click on this Google Data Studio card. Click create data delivery template button on the top right corner. In the template name field, enter a template name. In the template type dropdown, you can either choose works or form submissions. Here I am selecting form submissions. Click OK. In the form dropdown, you can see the available form specs. Here select one form. Here I am going with the order form. Now click add column button to add fields. You can add more fields as per your requirement. Here I am going with the 2 fields. Click on the first field. You can see the configuration part on the right side. Click on select field dropdown. You can observe the fields. These are the fields associated with the order form. Here I am selecting the select product field. For this field I am naming it as a product. For the second field I am selecting total amount field and I am naming it as price. Now save this configuration. Now we have done with the data delivery template. This is the app script development environment of the Spurs Effort data source. Here click on this publish button and select deploy from manifest. You can see the deployments pop up. Here expand production dropdown. Click on get ID to view the deployment ID. You can see the deployment ID here. Close this pop-up and click the second URL. Now you can see the Spurs Effort data source in the Google Data Studio. You can find the connector ID in the URL here. This is the connector ID. Close this. Now we need to complete the authorization part. Click on authorize button to give permission to the connector to access your Google account. Here this pop-up will ask you to log in with your Google account. Let's maximize this and I will show you the client ID. This is the URL. You can see the client ID here. This is the client ID. Close this and select the same account you use Google Data Studio with. Click on allow to accept the access request. Now click on the second authorize button to log into the data source itself. Enter effort login credentials here. Select upload and click authorize. Yeah, we have done with the data source authorization part. We have done with the authorization part. Select a data delivery template from the template name dropdown. Here you can see the order form template which we created earlier. Select this and click connect. Here you can customize the fields as per your requirement. Create report button. Click add to report. Enter a title for the report here. This is the canvas where you will create reports and dashboards. You can customize the themes here from here. You can add charts. You can add more charts as you want. You can add controls also. So if you okay with the design, then click view button. This is how your report looks like. If you are okay with this, then click share button. Here turn on the link sharing as per your requirement. Here I am selecting this option. Anyone with link can view. Let's save. Copy the link. Close it and share this link with your employees or customers to share the report. This is how the report looks like. Let me test once. Yes, it is working fine. Finally, we have created a report in the Google Data Studio with the Spurs effort data source.